Hi, welcome. My name is Jeffrey Werks and I'm a Hydronic College Training Manager. I will be your guide through this Hyselect tutorial program. You will notice that this program consists of two basic elements. We have a first basic knowledge part, and then the second part is some more advanced Hyselect knowledge. In the first part you will learn how to do a simple product selection, but before that we will start with some basic knowledge, how to set up the Hyselect software for your convenience. Then in the second part, some more advanced knowledge. We'll look at the hydronic circuit calculation, and then we will be looking at some tips and tricks on how to make the editing and the introduction job a bit more easy. So, if you would have any questions during the process, during the training program, don't hesitate to contact one of the Hydronic College colleagues. So, enjoy!